Hi my day dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zaybrow and I am back with another freaking video. Okay, period. I'm trying not to do 2 installs for y'all back to back, but I don't know. Let's see if I can squeeze in another video before I give y'all this one. If not, y'all gonna be getting 2 installs back to back, because y'all already know once I come to the camera looking like this, Bodisha, you already know it's giving installs. So let me tell y'all who here we installing today. So today we are installing the I don't know how to say their name. Okay, Eullair. Yeah, whatever. So that's who here we are installing. This is the 24-inch 13x4 number 27 highlight body wave wig. Okay, if y'all hear the noise, it is pouring outside. Like, I think it's a whole storm going on right now. Like, I am very worried if I'm right by the window and the window's open, because it needs a fresh breeze. But yeah, it's supposed to be raining till 5 in the morning and it's 8 o'clock right now. So yeah, 60 degrees outside and it's a heavy storm. So good day, New York. This video won't really be a talking video. This is just gonna be a watch me a watch me install or whatever. I already know I do go in with my foundation and I spread it on my cat. Bro, do y'all see this? You gotta be kidding me. My dumb self cut the cat. Bro, I wanted to do a side part, but it's giving middle because I can't. Okay, you guys, I don't know what's been happening lately. I guess because I haven't been like installing wigs in a minute, but this is another wig that I'm not really too happy about in an installment. I did want to do a side part, but I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if we should do middle. I think I'm gonna do middle only for the simple fact that this side is messed up. And this is a good deep side part. I don't know. No, I think we might have to do, I don't know. Middle? Or side? I think we might do side. We haven't really done a side in a minute. We're gonna have to try and finesse this with like baby hair and stuff. But yeah, let me get my side part. Okay, my Zay dolls, I am back. Okay, I I didn't show y'all me curling my hair because I curled my hair on live. If you guys caught my live, hey y'all, we had a good old time. We played Never Have I Ever and all that. I think I'm gonna start announcing like when I go live, so like you guys won't miss, because our lives really be fun. This live, it was mixy, okay? If you was there, then you know. And if you wasn't, you gotta catch us again next time. So once again, let me give y'all the deets on this hair before we close out this video. This wig that I have on is the 13x4 180, didn't see, 24 inches, number 27 highlight body wave hair wig, okay, whatever. That's the one I got. That's the one I got, and I'm here for it, okay? Like, I'm glad I did the middle part. I miss my middle parts. The side part just never gave the same way. I did cut like a little bit of the layers in it, like just so this could be my swoop. Y'all know I love that front swoop right there. What I would say about this frontal, I don't really know like what happened like right here. I think that was like my mishap, because everywhere else is fine, and it also did the same thing to this side. So I don't know if I just didn't lay my sides down right this time. I tried to do this, the little front swoop, because the front two alone wasn't even laying right. So I'm like, let me try this and then lay it down. I did do my side timer, you know, those is regular. I always do those. But I'm like, let me try something new. And it's not so bad or whatever. Like, I could still work with it, but I just can't put this behind my ear because that's not cute. So it's gonna have to give one of them pushbacks, but lean forward like one of those or whatever. The hair don't need to be behind my hair. The hair don't need to be behind my hair.
The hair don't need to be behind my hair.
The hair don't need to be behind my ear anyway. I think we lopsided. Okay, I think we crooked now. I mean, I think we straight. Okay, I think we straight now. But yeah, I tried this for the first time on my own. I don't even know what time it was when we started this video. It's 2:25 in the morning. Mind y'all, we just got off a live at 2 o'clock. We was on live for mad long. But I forgot that I did not close out this video. So yeah, I had curled my hair on live or whatever. I cut it to layers on live while we was talking and everything. So I didn't get to show you guys that. But y'all seen me curl my hair before. Tomorrow I might record like a get ready with me, just so I can have like random content. I won't be going nowhere. But I might do a get ready with me for content, because I gotta do like, I want to take pictures of everything in this hair, all that extra stuff, yada yada yada. So, oh, your girl is tired. What is happening? I do have a coupon code for you guys. Y'all should know that from the jump. The promo code is going to be right here on the bottom of the screen, because y'all know I don't know how to say their name, so I'm not about to keep saying it or messing it up in case they want to spin the block, because y'all know they love spinning the block and coming back to us. So with the hair curl, this is where it comes up to or whatever, like right underneath my hoo-has and everything, which is fine and cute and dandy. So I'm really tired, y'all. Like, I don't even understand why I'm so freaking tired, but oh my god, that's ghetto. That's the third yawn. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Okay, my Zay dolls, see you guys in my next video. Later.